Article 11. Justifying circumstances. The following and do not incur any criminal liability. Paragraph 1. Anyone who acts in defense of his person or right, provided that the following circumstances concur. First, unlawful aggression. Second, reasonable necessity of the means employed to prevent or repel it. Third, lack of sufficient provocation on the part of the person defending himself. Paragraph 2. Anyone who acts in defense of the person or right of 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 his spouse, ascendants, descendants, or legitimate nature or adopted brothers or sisters, or of his relatives by affinity in the same degrees and those by consanguinity with the fourth civil degree, provided that the first and second requisite prescribed in the next proceeding circumstances are present, and the further requisite in the case that provocation was given by the person attacked, that the one making defense has no part therein. Article ay paragraph paragraph 3 paragraph 3 paragraph 3. Anyone who acts in defense of the person or right of a stranger, provided that the first and second requisite mentioned in the first circumstance of this article are presented, that the that the and that presented and that the person defending be